Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, Athena is making biscuits for mommy. She is making a biscuits. Look at Athena, she is busy making a biscuits. So gorgeous Athena. She is busy. And Luna is staring at her while she's making a biscuits. Luna is laying with mommy. Look at the little paws. She's trying really hard. And the Luna is watching her sister. She looks sleepy again when she is with mommy. Beautiful girl. Athena is pouring a lot. And the baby Luna is thinking something.
What's up?
Thinking about what we're gonna have for dinner.
What's up, baby? What's up, gorgeous?
Athena looks worried. It's okay, gorgeous. You can make a biscuits for mommy. You can make a biscuits. She walks away. It's cleaning time for Luna.
What's up? Athena? What's up, baby?
Look at Athena and Luna. They're trying to escape into the window. But they can't escape because it's closed. Look at these gorgeous girls. They're both in the window. They're trying to escape, but the window is closed, so they can't. You can't escape, baby. You can't. Look at the tail. She looks annoyed. Athena looks annoyed. Hi, Luna. My gorgeous. Luna, baby. Oh, be careful. You okay, Athena? Do you want to go down now, Luna? Do you want to go down, gorgeous? Luna sent some birds outside, flying around. That's why she wanted to go out. You're not allowed to catch birds, okay? Athena, where are you, gorgeous? She's over there. She's come back. She's come back to play with mommy. A roughly play. There you go. There you go. You can have it. She ran away. Come on, baby. Come on.